A very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see about the estimation of buildings. In Unit 1, we have actually seen the estimation of the each item of work with respect to its dimensions, length, breadth, height or depth. Um, Multiplied by these three things get the quantity of work with respect to numbers and how it is calculated. In addition to that, we'll be seeing the abstract estimate or the cost estimate of that. To move on, let us see the question. Estimate the quantity of items of work of a two-roomed building from the given plan and section shown in the figure. Earthwork and excavation and foundation, lime concrete and foundation, first class brickwork, cement mortar 1:6 in foundation and plinth, 2.5 centimeter cement concrete damper course, first class brickwork in lime mortar and superstructure. For these three things we are going to see it, these five things. So this is the given the plan and cross section of the wall of the two-roomed building. So with respect to that, we will be calculating the detailed estimate of that. The item 1, earthwork in excavation and foundation, it is calculated by long wall and short wall methods. For the long walls it is 2, 11.70, 1.1, 1, 25.70. For the short walls, it is 3, 5.20, 1.1, 1, 17.46. That makes the total of earthwork in excavation and foundation as 42.90 meter cube. Lime concrete in foundation for the long walls, it is 2, 11.70, 1.1, 0.3, 7.72. Short walls, it's 3, 5.20, 1.1, 0.3, 5.15. That makes the total of lime concrete in foundation as 12.87 meter cube. So again, by moving on to the next description of items, first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in foundation and plinth. For the long walls, still the first footing, second footing, third footing, fourth footing, and the plinth wall above footing. It is two numbers: 11.4, 0.8, 0.2, 3.65. Second footing 11.3, 0.7, 0.1, 1.58. Third footing 11.2, 0.6, 0.1, 1.34. Fourth footing 11.1, 0.5, 0.1, 1.1. And the plinth wall above footing it is 11.4, 0.8, 7.04. Similarly, on the short walls, the same first footing 3, 5.5, 0.8, 0.2, 2.64. For the second footing 3, 5.6, 0.7, 0.1, 1.18. Third footing 3, 5.7, 0.6, 0.1, 1.03. Fourth footing 3, 5.8, 0.5, 0.1, 0.87. Plinth wall above footing is 3, 5.9, 0.4, 0.8, 5.66. That makes a total of the first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in foundation and plinth as 26.10 meter cube. Next, moving on to the damp cores of 2.5 centimeter thick cement mortar, long walls and short walls. For the long walls, it is 2, 11.4, 8.8. For the short walls, it is 3, 5.90, 0.4, 7.08. That makes a cumulative total of 15.88 square meter. Deducting the door sills, it is 2, 1.2, 0.4, 0.96. That makes a total of 14.92 meter square. Finally, moving on to the first class brickwork in lime mortar and superstructure. For the long walls, it is 2, 10.90, 0.3, 4.2, 8.8. Short walls, it is 3, 6.3, 4.2, 7.08. That makes a total of 50.15 meter cube. Deducting door openings 2, 1.2, 0.3, 2.1, 1.51. Window openings 4, 1.3, 1.5, 1.8. Shelves 2, 1.2, 1.5, 0.6. Lintel over the doors 2, 1.5, 0.3, 0.15, 0.14. Lintels over the windows as 4, 1.3, 0.3, 0.15, 0.23. Lintels over the shelf is 2, 1.3, 0.3, 0.15, 0.12, which makes a total reduction of 4.4. Deducting this is 50.15. That makes a total of 45.75. So this is how we do the detailed estimate for the given two-room wall building. Moving on to the abstract of the quantities or the abstract cost, the earthwork and excavation and foundation is 64.23 meter cube. Lime concrete and foundation is 20.22 meter cube. First class brickwork and cement mortar is 1:6 foundation and plinth is 44.95 meter cube. 2.5 cc damp cores of 24.76 meter cube. First class brickwork in lime mortar and superstructure is 66.59 meter cube. So the abstract quantities are calculated based upon the amount of work for the each particular description of the item of work. So this is how we do it. Thank you for the attention. Thank you one and all.